that one, I'm just gonna use my palette knife. We'll smooth it back first. Do that again over here, coming underneath the paint. And you see how I'm holding, but for those of you who've never used palette knives before, it's not a death grip. I'm really only holding it with two, and I'm kind of putting the point of this in the palm to give it stability, and I'm just running it very gently underneath that paint. If I were to go over top of the paint, I'll show you that. If I go over top of the paint,
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Does something
completely different, right? And it makes it a little bit harder to use the tip, so I like going underneath a little bit because I can shape it, but I can also come to a really fine point.